Hey everyone. In today's video I want to take a look at how to graph systems of linear equations using some different forms. So here we have an equation in slope-intercept and we also have an equation in standard form. Alright, so slope-intercept we know we can graph just by using the y-intercept and then the slope to get our next point. Standard form we've discussed two different ways to graph. The first way is by using your intercepts. However, for this specific problem, you cannot graph using the x and y intercepts because your x-intercept you would end up with a fraction. So what we can do here is work around our equation to get our standard form into slope-intercept form. Right, so for slope-intercept form, you know we need to get y by itself, so I want to go ahead and move everything that's not y to the other side. Okay, so I'm going to add a 3x inverse operation, and I'm going to move that over to the other side. So our new equation would be y equals 3x minus 4. Okay, so now these are the two equations we'll be graphing. That's our first one, and this is our second one. Okay, and then again, we'll graph each equation, and then we will look to see where they intersect. All right, so this one's going to start at positive 3. And then from there, it's negative 1 over 2. So I go down 1 and to the right 2. Or I could go up 1 and to the left 2. Either one is acceptable. And we'll go ahead and draw our line. And now we'll graph our second equation, which again, we're using this y equals 3x minus 4. My starting point is negative 4. So we'll start down here at negative 4. And then my slope is 3, or what that really is 3 over 1. So I go up 3 to the right 1. But here, if we were to stop our line here, we wouldn't have it connect. So what we want to do is continue our line until we can see that it connects or intersects. Okay, so we have our point of intersection, okay, which is right here, and that is the point 2, 2. All right, and that would be the solution to this system of equations. All right, so again, there's more than one way to graph these. Again, with standard form, we know from our prior videos that we can use our intercepts to graph standard form, but when you can't get an intercept as an integer, getting y by itself and getting your equations into slope-intercept form is a good trick to help you graph when you can't do it with the intercepts.